we're going to look at assembling a bridge table screen. The screens, which can be purchased from the CBAI headquarters, will form the main player protection measure when we return to live bridge in our clubs. The screen comes in 2 sheets of clear plastic that slot into one another and with a securing bracket that's fitted at the top of the screen. And there's also 2 bungee cords that secure the screen to the table. We're now going to put the 2 sheets of clear plastic together. And we put then the securing bracket at the top. This holds the sheets together, and the screen then is placed diagonally across the table in that fashion there. There might be, depending on the size of the table, there might be a small overhang of the edge of the screen. I'm now going to fit the bungee cords. They just go in around the leg of the table and they pull up in this fashion here, one end of it there and the other end there, and that secures that. And then we get the other bungee cord and we place it at the other diagonal. And you can see that that secures the screen to the table. A very important thing to say to you is that assembling the screen is a 2-person job, as care needs to be taken when slotting the 2 sheets together. A good idea is to put PVC tape at each of the outer sides to highlight the screen on the table. Here, obviously, I'm using yellow, but I mean, you can use whatever colour you wish yourselves. You can even use your county colours. Just at the outer edge, and you can see that it highlights the edge of the table and will prevent, if you like, players knocking against the edge of the screen itself. Finally, the bidding boxes and the board fit neatly on the table, as we can see. Now, for clubs that don't have their own premises, the screens will have to be taken down at the end of the game. And again, it is a 2-person job with care needed to prevent damage. So that's the assembly and disassembling of the bridge screen for you. Thank you.